Hi guys, we have this Britannia cheese spread classic. I'm gonna show you its review and recipe. This 180 gram pack has MRP of rupees 125, but we get this from Amazon at rupees 93 and the shelf life is 9 months, but once you open the pack, consume it within 30 days. Packaging is nice, a compact container like you can keep this in refrigerator just like that. This cheese spread is made from cow's milk and the color is on the cream slight yellow side and it has this soft, smooth and creamy texture. It has a bit of salt in it, no other flavor, just cheese and salt. You can have it simply by spreading on a bread slice. It tastes yum just like that also. Or we can make sandwiches. You can take your favorite veggies nicely chopped and add a bit of salt, seasoning and chili flakes. That's it. Give it a mix. Now spread cheese over the bread slice. Add veggies and this goes to the grill. Under 5 minutes, a crispy, delicious and ultimate grilled sandwich is ready. Coming to the taste, it has a strong, delicious flavor and the lip smacking taste. It blends well and melt in your mouth. You can have it as it is, bake it or enjoy it as a dip with some cracker. You will love the cheesy taste. I am happy with my purchase and give it a try. Subscribe for more videos.